All right, welcome back to a quick video about AMD. We're going to take a look at the chart and some interesting points where we can capitalize from. This is not financial advice. This is just pure for information and as entertainment. So always do your own research. If you haven't subscribed, liked, or commented yet, please do so. Will help me out a lot. So thanks in advance. What's going on with AMD? Prices are super high right now. PE ratio is sitting at 122 compared to NVIDIA sitting at 55. So people are expecting much more growth for AMD from its points of market share where it's sitting right now. As you can see, I've got a trend line which goes back all the way to 2018, which I drew. I was interested in AMD around 2024 December. They were doing well financially, earnings, stuff like that, their vision, everything was going well, but it kept spiraling down. So I thought it would bounce back from this area, which it actually did. Historically, it also bounced back from this area, and then I saw something similar. I drew this trend line over here and here as well. And as you can see, we went towards the resistance of this channel and we bounced back and we broke it, retested, and went up. So I was thinking, hey, what if this happens again? And it did. Hindsight, I should have DCA'd over here, but I was a little bit skeptical because I didn't know what was going to happen with the shift in economics, with Trump taking over, stuff like that. And of course, the China ban export of chips. So we did see a bounce from this area as we had here. We went up, tested this resistance, broke it, and retested it. And this is where I entered actually. Things were also looking more positive around this area in this time, June 2025, end of June 2025, something like that. And we're up around 50% in less than, let's see, 50 days. So that's actually crazy. Very good play. So what's the next move? Again, this is not financial advice, but something to take in consideration. As we know, everybody's super bullish around AMD right now. Analysts are changing it to buy more. Prices are going up. They're saying all of that kind of stuff. Lisa Su says the demand for AI chips may increase to 500 billion. Talks about the AI action plan for the USA, stuff like that. And analysts overall being very positive. So what is going on and how can we capitalize off of this moment? Well, in the history when people were very bullish around these price points, we can see that in the RSI. So whenever we were trading above 70 RSI, the stock is considered to be labeled as overbought. This happened 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now the 7th time if we take a look at the 3 daily chart. How long did we stay above this level before everything went down? Well, in this area, we stayed above this level for around 123 days, which is the longest and the most extended period of these RSIs. As you can see, top was around here, and then we went down. We went down towards this trend line and went up again. So there's volatility. How do we capitalize off this volatility? As you can see here, we broke the RSI and we stayed here for around 60 days, 60 to 70 days. The top was actually around here and then we went down. So we continue to rally above this overbought price. So the hype is here. We know the stock is overbought, so we're expecting a pullback, but we keep rallying. Here it was shorter. This is the top and we stayed up for around 30 days and then went down again. And here we broke the RSI over here and then went for 30 days before we actually had a strong dip. Same goes for here and here. All right, you can check it out yourself on the chart. So what do we do with this information? So now we know the RSI rally extends for like 30 days or a longer period, which happened here and here. This was the longest period. After that, more often it happened that it was for shorter periods, as you can see. So right now, there's a lot of bullishness around the stock. And every time there's a lot of bullishness, you can expect a correction because people get overly hyped, overly excited, and investors think, hey, this price is trading very high. I entered somewhere around here or here. It's time for me to take profits. And when they do take profits in bulk, price corrects. So what should we look out for? If we take the golden cross in consideration, which are two EMAs crossing each other, when the golden one is above the red line, it signals bullishness and price going up. And when it switches and the golden line crosses the red trend line, we go down. And historically, we see prices always go back from that arrow side towards that golden line, or it breaks even down further. Happened here, as you can see. 1 second. Boom. Happened here. Boom. Here we broke it and went down even further. Here we broke it and went up again. So you see we tap it and go up. Tap it and go up. Tap it and go up. So what is going to happen here? Let's take out these lines. This is a point of interest. This is a resistance. This is a resistance we're at right now. If we do rally further, we can go up more, 24, 25, 30%, maybe between 20 and 30%. We can cross this all-time high and even go further. But when we get a pullback, you should expect something like this. It won't happen very quickly. It will if something crazy happens in the world, but usually it goes in a longer extended period of time, consolidation, trading to the side and then dipping lower towards that golden trend line. And that's where you can enter. So that are your points of interest for entering. So take this golden trend line in consideration. Keep it in mind. It's on the 3 daily. You can add it in your indicators. It's called the golden cross with the EMA 13 and 49 period. So yeah, stay sharp. Data doesn't lie. I do believe an extended rally might happen and we're going towards all-time highs. But at the same time, I'm ready for the correction. I'm still in my position and I want to buy more because I do believe there's a lot of market share for AMD to be won. Thanks for taking a look at this video. If you like the information I gave you, please comment, like, subscribe. It will help me out a lot, and see you with the next one.